Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for digital music and sound effects business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all you have to start from here, build with Wix editor. So the first thing here you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site easy and quickly. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can easily set up your website. Also, you can go to basic setup and you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type. Okay, now you can select your business type. Um, I'm gonna choose this one. You can enter your business name and you can enter your business address. You can set your default working hours here if you want to add some services. Okay, you can add your stuff, name and your email. What is do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments or send automated emails and SMS reminders or sell digital and physical products. So this is depends on your business. Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site from here. So now how would you like to design a website if you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template? So for me I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Now as you see you can enter your information here, the name and the email, the address, the phone. Also you can add the social link. So let's continue. And here you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can choose the right theme that's gonna match your business. Okay, so this simple details is more important to make your site look structured, like the themes, like the colors, to make your site look structured and attract more people and more customers to your website. We're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Here if you wanna add pages to your site, if you want, and you can skip all this and you can customize them later. Now as you see your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. As you see here, this is the editor page, so you don't have to change everything here, just simple edits, quick edits. So for example here you can add elements, you can add sections, you can manage the page and the menus, you can design the site, customize, and you can add apps, manage your business, manage the media. So for example if you want to add elements, you can start from here, from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs and the text mask. Here if you want to upload images, you can upload or import images. You can explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Here you can customize the buttons, the themed button, text and icon buttons, the image button, document buttons. Here we have decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here. For example, if you want to add section, you can just select what kind of section you want to add, and you can select the type, your style, your favorite layout, and you can put it on your editor page. Okay, so let's move on. If you want to customize your site design, you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, page transitions. Now let's move on to the first section, the header section. So let's do a quick edit. So as you see here, you can change the strip background. You can also change the or edit your site name. You can manage the menu, the horizontal menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the welcome section. The section background, the strip background, this image right here. Uh, Also the column and background, the title, the paragraph. For example, if you want to change this paragraph right here, just click on it and create a text. Now as you see, you can just describe what you want in your text, or you can select the type of the section. You have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you. And you can use it, you can make it shorter, you can generate another one if you don't like it. Now let's move on. If you wanna, for example, change the fonts, you can change the style, and also you can change the font. You select your favorite font, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, about section. The same thing as normal, you can change the font. Okay, let's move on to the next section, the services section. You can manage service, and you can add more services here. Okay, let's move on to the next section, the same thing as normal. You can change this image right here if you want. Just click on it and click change image, and here you can search whatever you like, digital music for example. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so that's it. The same thing here in the text. You can change the text, just describe what you want in your text. So that's it. This is the last section, the footer section. So you can quick edit for this email and for the company name. Now as you see, you can publish your website. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also you can save it. You can save this editor page from here, and if you want to publish it, you can just click here, and now you can start selling. You can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.